let's single crochet. So here's a chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To single crochet, we are going to place the hook into the second chain, not the one closest to the actual hook, but the next one. And now we're going to grab the yarn, pull up a loop, so now you'll have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Now you're going to grab the yarn again and pull through both loops. Congratulations, you just did a single crochet. So now again, you're going to go through the top part of the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through a loop, grab the yarn again, pull through both loops. Again, going through the top of the stitch, grabbing the yarn, pulling through a loop, and then pulling through both loops. You'll know you're doing this correctly if you have 2 loops each time, and then you're going to pull through both of those loops, and then after you pull through both of those loops, you've got 1. Now, since we don't start with single crochet at that very first stitch, you will not end up with 5 stitches. You'll end up with 4. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. The other one is the turning stitch. So depending on what your pattern calls for, you may have to alter your stitches, remembering that you do not single crochet in the first one. So good luck, happy crocheting.